And this is my 15-112 summer term project. The name of my application is Wanderlust, and basically what it does is it allows travelers to just pin places that they've been, and with that, the application will output recommendations or allow you to journal about your travels, just things like that. So let's go ahead and get started. This is the main screen. If you click on My Map Quest, it's going to ask you for a password. This is to ensure that all your information, like your location and your writing, is all private just to you. So let's go ahead and enter a password. And this is the home screen. Just a quick side note, you can use the up arrow at any point to get back to the screen, the down arrow to get to the help screen, and the number 1 to get back to your home page. So the first feature of this section is you can input cities, and it'll allow you to plot them with pins. So like we can put like Chicago and then like a few other cities, like let's just add some West Coast cities. San Diego, I hope it's right there. San Francisco. Portland. And Seattle. And now what it's going to do is based on like the number of pins in a certain area, it'll spit out some recommendations. So for example, in this case, we have the West Coast right here. The West Coast is blocked off up to this area, and it'll spit out this output because we have 4 pins here. And if you keep clicking on the recommendation section, it'll keep giving you areas in the West Coast to explore, like let's say you've already been to a specific green area. So that's one feature. The next feature is that you can write something. So for example, if I click on a pin to journal, it'll pop up a box, and then you can just type like beautiful beaches or something. And then if you press the right arrow, you can click on your travel journal, and it'll save that entry under San Diego, as well as your other entries from before. So those are all the main features, and you can also log out and go back to the home page if you press number 1. So let's take a quick look at the code. Some of the main features of my code is I use a lot of data structures and Boolean values to flip between conditions and screens. And I also have a lot of databases for my map itself, and also in order to come up with recommendations, I had to put in a lot of random cities and like use randint and some probability to come up with those ideas. So that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed my term project.